What up guys, welcome to episode 2 of the $1,000 Ninja 650 rebuild series. For those who haven't seen before, bought this bike, has only 200 miles on it, basically brand new, for only $1,000, but it's 13 years old. So we're gonna have to do, over the course of this series, a lot of work and give it a lot of labor and love, but at the end we should have a brand new motorcycle for under $2,000. For today's episode, I bought a brand new top-of-the-line Yuasa battery. We're gonna put that into there, and we're gonna see, does the bike crank? Does it maybe even fire up? Signals, electrical, is that all good? I'm still trying to figure out what kind of shape this bike is in, so I understand exactly how many things that we're gonna have to do to get this thing back on the road. Now, I'm using my C-Tech charger, and I like the car function because A, I can use it on my car, and B, because if I'm trying to get a little bit more juice into the battery, like if I'm going to be cranking and the bike's really cold, been sitting, I might have to crank it a lot, it can help me recharge that battery faster. Motorcycle battery mode, car battery mode, etc. And we're going to be taking advantage of that in just 1 minute. Also, I'm not showing you guys about replacing the battery. I already kind of showed you that in my previous video, so go back and check that out. I'll put a little card and I'll put a link in the description. I want to keep these super short, so now I'm going to give it a try and see if this thing will crank or not. Okay, so far sounds really good. My brake light's coming on. I'm not seeing anything for high beam, low beam. Let's try signals. What? What the hell is that? Oh my God, it's angry at me. Okay. I don't know what the hell that was about. Let's try the horn. Ow. Okay, the horn definitely works. Back brake, and brake lights are working. It's just that weird squeaking sound that I think made me deaf. So let's see if it'll crank up at all. I mean, it definitely wants to. I'm gonna switch the battery charger over to car mode just to try and get a little bit more power in there. I mean, you can tell it's trying. Check out that exhaust pipe. Not really getting much out of it. Things are looking pretty normal so far. And for some reason, that high beam, low beam started working again. I'm gonna get some of this stuff out of the way because I want to try and figure out what that squeaking sound was. This bike seems like it's full of surprises. If you guys saw my last week video, you know that right over here where the battery was, there was actually no battery when I bought the bike. There was a mouse nest in there. If you've never seen what a mouse nest looks like inside a motorcycle, check out last week's video, episode 1. I'm gonna try and figure out what's going on here. Hope you guys can see that. That says Scorpio on it, which is it's a really popular brand of motorcycle alarms. They're actually a really good motorcycle alarm. I used to have one like 10 years ago, probably around the same time this bike had one put on it. I was a little suspect that there might be something weird going on because it's an almost brand new bike and the wiring at the signals has a lot of electrical tape, which to me is like, that shouldn't come like this from factory. So the fact that a bike with only 200 miles has this much electrical tape going into the wiring here is like, someone's been in there, why? And now it makes sense. There's an alarm system. And from what I remember, this looks like it's a starter immobilizer, which could be part of why the bike wasn't starting maybe. So I'm gonna call the previous owner and try and figure out if he has like some kind of key fob or something for this. Okay guys, so I got some bad news and some good news. Let me start with the bad news. I contacted the previous owner and I asked him, hey, do you have a key fob? Like this thing has an alarm on it. He didn't even remember that there was an alarm on the bike. So that's not good. The good news is I was able to contact the manufacturer, Scorpio, who makes the alarm on the motorcycle. Guy named Nate over there was awesome, and Nate told me, Adrian, the alarms are actually just plug and play. So once you've done the installation with the whole harness, you don't have to worry about messing with the wiring again, which is great. He goes, you can just buy a new one, swap out the old one for the new one, and you're all good to go because we don't have a key fob for a system that old. And I said, well, I don't actually spend any money. What do I do? And Nate said, well, in that case, all you have to do is you take the old system and you just unplug the two connectors going to it, and that should be okay, and you should be able to leave everything else on your motorcycle just the way it is. So fingers crossed, we're gonna try that and see if he's right and this bike will start up tonight. Let's go. Based on my conversation with Nate, all I have to do is unplug this and unplug that, and now my Scorpio alarm should just be essentially deactivated, and I don't have to worry about my turn signals not working. So let's see if that's accurate. Turn the bike on. Signals are working totally normally. I hope you guys can see that there. Other one. Yep, that's good. Whoa. I don't know if that's gonna start or not, but let's keep trying. It's like she's trying, she's really trying, you know? Come on. Oh! One thing I'm gonna try real quick is I just want to open up the gas tank. I know this gas is super old, but I just want to kind of slosh it around. If I had a tube, I'd probably might blow in here later just to see if there's any kind of vapor lock. Need like a really big straw. Oh man, that gas is stinky. I'm glad I opened the garage door. Okay. Oh. There you go. There you go.
It's not unusual to be loved by
Awesome.
It's not unusual to have fun with anyone.
Oh, that makes me really happy.
When I see you hanging about with anyone.
Fucking right. I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Nate over at Scorpio Alarms. Bike started right up. This is awesome. Much appreciated. Bike is running. It smells terrible though. I'm actually probably gonna kill the motor right away. I think in the next video, we're gonna put some clean gas in there because this is not good gas at all. We're gonna drain that gas tank. Maybe do an oil change too. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell next to it afterwards. If you hit the bell, it gives you notification when the new videos come out. I'm gonna turn this bike off and I will see you guys probably in about a week from now for another episode. Thank you so much. Peace. So in case you guys are wondering how I knew or suspected that there was a vapor lock on the motorcycle, which is why I popped open the gas tank and sloshed it around a little bit. I grew up riding carbureted bikes. I mean, I didn't even have a car till I was 25, and I spent years before that riding even in the winter on carbureted motorcycles, on one in particular that was really prone to vapor lock, and I used to have to like open up the gas tank and like blow down hard into the gas tank just to try and like break that barrier. Vapor lock basically happens whenever your gas changes state, so from like a liquid to a gas. And I figure this gas is so old, who knows what kind of state it's in. So when it wasn't really firing up, and it should have been, but it was turning over, my suspicion was vapor lock, and I think that was right.